The preschool nutrition education intervention was aimed at targeting preschool students in both low-income and high-income schools. And the purpose of the research was to develop and implement nutrition education interventions for preschoolers that promoted the consumption of fruits and vegetables. And they learned about fruits and vegetables through hands-on experiential learning. So we developed 4 different interventions, and we went in the classroom and they were able to play different fruit and vegetable games, go grocery shopping, and then just learn about fruits and vegetables through hands-on activities. In the study, we wanted to increase the preschoolers' knowledge, interest, and consumption of fruits and vegetables. So in order to achieve this, we developed and piloted different nutrition education interventions in the classroom. And what we found was that although we were targeting preschool-age children that had different socioeconomic statuses and backgrounds, we found that your socioeconomic status is independent of your learning. So it doesn't matter what background you come from. If you want to learn, you can learn. And that was what was so special about the project. As an undergraduate student, I didn't know about research. One of the faculty members in FCS happened to tell me about a position that Dr. Medna had opened, and I went to him and inquired about it, and he ended up hiring me. And that's how I was able to learn about research, and I just had a love for it since then. Because I have a love for research, I plan to pursue a PhD in either public health or nutrition. And it's this being in the laboratory, I've had the best of both worlds. I was able to work in the laboratory and then work outside the laboratory doing research with human subjects, and I just love it all. So I want to make a career out of it. I feel that the students don't know about the research opportunities that are available on campus, and I feel that every department should at least have a small research project for students, especially undergraduate students, to participate in. And doing research enables students to have a lot of opportunities, such as presenting their research at conferences. It makes them more competitive. And if they want to go to graduate school, most graduate schools look high upon students who have research experience. So doing research is wonderful, and the students should be able to do it on campus. As an undergraduate student, I learned about research in the classroom, but I didn't have the opportunity to do it hands-on in the lab. And as being able to work in the lab, I got to use what I learned theoretically in the classroom and put it into play in the laboratory. And it's just, my mind is open. I just love research, whereas before when I was an undergraduate student, I didn't really care about it. But once I was able to go into a laboratory and work with Dr. Medna, I love it. And I can't see myself doing anything other than research. I would recommend research to other students for the learning experience. It gives them the opportunity to take what they learned in the classroom and do it hands-on and apply what they learned in the classroom to their everyday life. And also because of the opportunities that research enables others to have, such as presenting at conferences, meeting other students who are doing the same thing as you, networking, and just being competitive. So when you're in a competition or your graduate application is being looked at against other students, it makes you more competitive and you have a higher chance of getting in. It's just a wonderful experience, and I don't know what I would have done if I hadn't taken a job working inside the laboratory. I just can't see myself doing anything else. For a student that's considering applying for the undergraduate research program, I would encourage them to apply. Apply. You'll love it. It'll change your life.